Assalamu alaikum student. This is next chapter of your grammar and that is synonyms. So today we will see that what is synonyms. So actually the synonyms is the word. If we give a word the same exactly meaning of the word, that is called the synonym. The definition is words which mean nearly but not exactly the same things are called synonyms. So we are going to see some examples of synonyms in this video, and we will learn some examples of also of synonyms. So you have to listen carefully. Once you have also know that what is opposite, that is called antonyms. The second word of opposite is antonyms, that is the opposite words of the same word. And synonyms is the same similar word which is related to what word you have given. So it's like, if I example, if I say small, then the same word of small is tiny. So like that is a synonym. Some examples is over here. So you have to copy this in your notebook also, and you have to understand also, and you have to learn this by heart, all the synonyms. So we will see further. Words which mean nearly but not exactly the same thing are called synonyms. Means the word is given to you is the same but not exactly, but the same. Somehow the same word is called the synonyms. For example, if we say 10, the synonyms means the same exactly the meaning of that word is not exactly but somehow is the same, is domesticated. Second, dull, blunt, foul, unfair. It's not opposite, just try to understand the same similar words of the given words. Doubt, disbelief, late, unpunctual, proud, haughty. It's not naughty, children, you have to understand this is H, this is haughty. Money, cash, old, aged. Whenever you use these words in the sentence, it's totally different. The meaning is the same, but you can't use this same exactly word in a sentence. If you do that, the sentence will change the meaning. So you have to write in sentence in a proper way where to put the same words in a sentence. Now we move further. Some more examples. Actually, this one is the question is given in your grammar textbook, and you have to copy this in your textbook, because in the workbook there is no line given over there, so you can write answer over there. So you have to copy this in your grammar work notebook. So this is, yeah, this fully you have to copy in your notebook. So the exercise, if you see in your grammar textbook, I don't remember the page, children, but you just see um, synonyms lesson. So there is not a lines over given over there, so you can write the answer. So copy this in your notebook. So write the synonyms of the following words in your notebook. So active, quick, energetic, same meaning. If you see, not exactly but same, somehow same. Competent, capable, pleasure, happiness, infectious, contagious, contented, satisfied, advice, suggested, explode, brust. So when you have to copy this with the correct spelling, please check spelling again and again, because there are until big words are there, so you have to copy with correct spelling. Now move to second page. This also you have to copy fully in your notebook. This is all given in your workbook, only questions, so that you have to copy in your notebook. So don't miss out even one. All 28 are there. So similarity, likeness, crime, offense, battle, war, fight. You can, if it come in the exam, you can write either war or fight. No need to write both. If you write both, it's okay. But if you remember one thing, you can write that one. All, everybody, diligent, hardworking, amusement, pleasure, entertainment, obtain, gain, get, cause, rough, harsh, allow, let, permit, event, happening, which, evil, timid, shy, modest. Here also you can write even one. Copy in your notebook this two, but in exam, if it is come, you can write one. You will get mark. Cause, path, counsel, height, Excuse, pardon, or forgive. Answer, reply, look, see, watch. Talented, gifted, famous, renowned, eminent. Cheat, deceive, swindle, jealousy, envy. So children, here is the end of this chapter synonym. I hope you understood what is synonym. Go through this video again and again and copy fully without any spelling mistake with good handwriting in your notebook. As I told you previously only that whenever we'll call your notebook for checking, so I need all exercise whatever I have given you till date fully completed with good handwriting. Thank you.